Hello everyone, today we're looking at DM1808. It's a 1998 Toyota Cresta. It's a GX100, so it has the 2-liter engine in it. Let's check it out. The interior is pretty nice in this.
It's very nice. Steering wheel's a little worn there.
Alright, and since we're outside, we'll let it run. Felt the AC compressor kick on there, that's good. Where are we at? There we go. Yep, she blowing. Oh my goodness, the radio works. Okay, let's check out the windows. And that one's already down. I was the one alternating. Just for the record. Check out underneath the hood next.
Sorry, Ed, I was already moving this direction.
All right.
Nice and clean. Got your jack down here.
Also nice and clean down in there.
I think you just lift. They like kind of clip in.
Well, this is something hard plastic. It might be stuck to the bottom of that. There we go.
Yeah, they clip in.
Yeah, I got you. Man, that is super duper clean.
It is.
It's way less violent putting it back in. I got you.
Looks great under there.
Yeah. So we'll talk about the outside of the car now. Overall, it's not that bad. Some light scuffs. I would say just the paint's a little tired on the bumper. Not horrible. There is some dirt around the moldings that you can see. The paint on the mirrors is not great.
It's a pretty common Toyota thing for some reason.
So it is missing this rain visor here. It has the other three, I believe. A few scratches back here. Does your car have the same taillights as these, Dan?
Yes.
Maybe they just look different on the
They're
silver.
they're just good.
That's good. Some more scratches right there.
I love these taillights. And then another little one there.
Well, it's missing the super Lucent badge there. But yeah, this is from my direct from Japan inventory. If you have any questions or would like any more information, please reach out to us. Our information's below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.